Chapter 1, Geographical Diversity of India. Question answers from grade 7, subject Social Science. Questions and activities. Question 1. What, in your opinion, are two important geographical features of India? Why do you think they are important? Answer. A. The Himalayas acts as a natural wall protecting India from extreme cold winds and invasions. Source of major rivers Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra that provide water for drinking, agriculture, and electricity. B. The peninsular plateau surrounded on three sides by the sea Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. So it's a peninsula rich in minerals, coal, iron, bauxite, and supports farming via east and west flowing rivers, example Godavari, Narmada. Question 2. What do you think India might have looked like if the Himalayas did not exist? Answer. Without the Himalayas, climate, bitterly cold Siberian winds would blow in, making winters harsher across northern India. Rivers, rivers like the Ganga and Indus might be smaller or non-existent, reducing water for irrigation. Biodiversity and culture, no snow-covered peaks or unique mountain communities, tourism and pilgrimage in places like Kedarnath or Mount Everest base camps would vanish. Question 3. India has been called a mini continent. Based on what you have read, why do you think this is so? Answer. Size and diversity. India's land area, 3.3 million kilometers square, ranks 7th in the world. Varied landscapes, from snowy mountains to hot deserts, fertile plains, rocky plateaus, long coastlines, and tropical islands, all packed into one country. Climate zones and ecosystems. You find nearly every type of climate: alpine, arid, tropical, and habitat, rainforest, mangroves, grasslands. Question 4. Follow one of India's big rivers from where it starts to where it meets the ocean. What are the different ways in which people might utilize this river along its journey? Answer. Journey of a river, the Ganga. Stage, source, Gangotri. Human uses, pilgrimage, trekking, religious offerings. Upper course, hydroelectric dams, mountain tourism. Middle course, irrigation canals for rice, wheat, river rafting. Lower course, delta, fishing, inland waterways, transport, fertile farms. Mouth, Bay of Bengal. Shipping routes, aquaculture, shrimp farming, ports. Question 5. Why is the southern part of India referred to as a peninsular plateau? Answer. Peninsula, land with water on three sides, west, east, south, flat-topped uplands, rises above surrounding plains but has a mostly flat surface. Ghats, bordered by the western Ghats, steep slopes, and eastern Ghats, broken hills. Question 6. Which UNESCO heritage site mentioned in this chapter did you find more interesting? Why? Answer. Sundarbans mangrove forest. The Sundarbans, West Bengal and Bangladesh is the world's largest mangrove delta, home of the Royal Bengal tiger, unique network of tidal rivers, small islands, and dense mangrove trees, protects inland areas from cyclones and tidal waves. Question 7. Identify the place you are at now. Which physical feature of India would you use to describe its location? Answer. Example for Delhi. Place Delhi. Physical feature northern Gangetic Plains on the banks of the Yamuna River. Why? Flat, fertile land crossed by tributaries of the Ganga basin. Question 8. Food preservation techniques differ from place to place across India. Do a class project. Answer. Region. Desert Rajasthan. Method. Sun drying. Example. Mirchi, chilies. Kachari. Wild cucumber. Second region. Coastal Kerala. Method. Salting, drying. Example. Kuruvadu. Salted, dried fish. Third. Himalayas. Method. Smoking. Example. Churpi. Smoked cheese. Dried meat. Fourth. Plains. Punjab, UP. Method. Pickling. Example achar, mango, lemon. Fifth, northeast. Method fermenting. Example Tangrimbai, fermented soybeans, bamboo shoots. Question 9. Despite having such different regions, India remains one country. How do you think our geography has helped unite people? Answer. First, rivers as highways, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, link distant regions through trade, culture. Second, monsoon system, shared rainy season fosters similar farming calendars and festivals. Example, harvest celebrations. Third, coastlines and ports, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, exchange of goods and ideas over millennia. Fourth, mountain passes and pilgrimages. Routes like the Silk Road passes, Kailash Mansarovar bring people together. Fifth, cultural exchange. Food, clothing, language, and art forms have blended. As people moved along plains, plateaus, and coasts, together these features created one land of many peoples, beliefs, and traditions. So, friends, we have completed all the question answers from questions and activities from Chapter 1 Geographical Diversity of India. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.